Hello students, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss the guidelines given by TS government regarding the reopening of schools and colleges in the state. You know that from 1st September onwards, from KG to PG, all the education institutions are going to reopen. So these are the guidelines which we have to follow strictly. And first one is cleanliness. So all the schools, all the classrooms and corridors, everything, every nook and corner should be cleaned before 30th of this month. So these are the orders given by the education department strictly to the district collectors and mandal education officers also. So premises should be very clean, they should be cleaned properly and they should be kept properly and in a very hygienic manner before the 30th of this month. And headmasters, MEOs and district collectors, gram panchayat, sarpanch, they are responsible for this activity. And here next point is overhead tanks. So overhead tanks and sumps, washrooms, okay, water tanks. So all these things, they should be cleaned thoroughly, they should be cleaned very thoroughly. Okay, next, government teachers and lecturers, they should report to the respective institutions from today onwards on daily basis. Earlier they were going to institutions on alternate days, but now today onwards they should go and report every day. So no alternate basis now, every day they have to go and report. And daily report after the reopening also, they should submit the daily report to the officials concerned. Okay, and students should not be forced to attend the offline classes, they should not be forced to attend the offline classes. But no permission letter means permission letter is not required from their parents. Earlier consent letter was there, but this time no permission letter, nothing, so it is not required. But here again the government says that no online classes from September 1st onwards, only offline. So indirectly we are forcing the children to attend the offline only. So no online means only offline, so indirectly we are forcing them. The government is telling that no force, but indirectly we are forcing them. So it should have arranged online also. Those who are not willing to go to schools and colleges, for them, for their sake, online must be there. But it is the shortcoming, it is the drawback here. And next, no shift system, so morning to evening, okay, full day they can run the classes. Okay, and wearing mask, sanitizers, they are mandatory. They will check your temperature with the guns also. Okay, but regarding the distance, social distancing, no clear cut information from the government side till today, no clear information regarding the social distancing. And lunch break gatherings, we have to avoid lunch break gatherings and short break gatherings also. So how can we avoid when the premises are very narrow, when the classroom is not spacious? How can we avoid gatherings during the lunch breaks and short breaks? If there is a shift system, there will be no lunch break. So morning they will come and go, afternoon they will eat at home only, they will come and go. Okay, so if it is shift system, there will be no gathering. That is the better, that is the best solution. Okay, and if anyone is found sick, if any student is suffering from fever, immediately their parents should be informed, he should be sent home. Okay, all the staff members, both teaching and non-teaching staff, they should get vaccinated. Okay, before the reopening only. More than 5 students are tested positive in any school or college, so immediately it should be closed for 2 weeks. Temporarily it should be closed for 2 weeks. Okay, and residential schools, government residential schools means social welfare, tribal welfare. So it is the teacher's responsibility to pull up the strength, to inform the students, to see that they are attending the offline classes regularly without fail. So attendance, everything, so it lies on the shoulders of the teachers only, it is their responsibility. So it's very clear that, so parents and teachers, they are going to play key role. Okay, students, please take care of yourselves. Okay, so we should not be in danger, our life should not be in danger. So learning is important, education is important, but life is more important. Okay, that's why please take care of yourselves. All the best. We'll meet again very soon with latest updates. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.